Hello everyone, my name is AyaCica and today I'm gonna continue for after a long time my Zodiac sign series with Aries. The colors are red and the element is fire, so I was going with this red, and the marsh is really red too. First I'm using my MAC Prep and Prime fixing spray, lavender, then I'm using my Garnier BB cream and I'm just tapping all over my face with this uh, beauty blender that I own. Not always tapping, mostly I tapping because I love tapping more than blending, but on the eyes I'm going so carefully and mostly I blend it. Then for the rest of the makeup I'm gonna use my NYX In Your Element Fire matte red lipstick that I really love. These In Your Element lipsticks, super nice, super cool. I really love them. They are so blendable and matching with each other. I love this red with the glossy black together. They are super cool and it's a beautifully pigmented red but not too harsh. I love it so much. It feels a little bit, how to say, buttery, or I don't know, and oily, and I don't know why I made that face. And yes, I used it on my eyes, on my eyebrows. They looked super nice, and on my lips, as it should be used, like it's a lipstick, so it should be on the lip. So yes, as you can see, it's a beautiful color. It a little bit made me look sick, but I liked it because my favorite color is red and it looks good on me. And I used red as blush, just tapping all over it with my hands. I used my hands a lot in this tutorial and not brushes and this stuff. Oh, and I added a little bit on my nose to look a little bit cuter. And then I added some jewelry, because I have a lot of, and I'm not really showing them. So that's it, that's the finished look, as you can see. So I made from this. I think it's pretty good. So if you like this, please let me know. Don't forget to subscribe. There's lots of link in the description that you should check out. Please leave some sweet comments in the comment section. And see you in the next video. Bye!